Today I'm going to work. What do you want, Doris, and why you're mad?
You are going to work today.
Now I'm ready for work.
Bye, Boris. Have a great day at work.
Hey,
Hi,
Boris.
boss. Can I start the electrical work?
Yes, but you can drive your work truck and start doing residential and commercial electrical work.
Hey, sir.
Hey,
I'm just gonna change a light fixture with a ceiling fan in your son's room.
okay.
Today we're replacing a light fixture in Caillou's room with ceiling fan. I'm gonna remove the old light fixture. Now I remove the old light fixture. Now I installed a ceiling fan. Bye, have a great time. Today I'm going to work.